Thank you for joining us on another installment of Frost and Sullivan's exciting podcast series. I am Cecilia van Cauwenberghe, Senior Industry Analyst and Associate Fellow with 9 years of experience from Tech Vision Group, Doctor in Chemical Engineering, Master in Biomedical and Biochemical Engineering, and Specialist in Technology Innovation Management. Today, we will be discussing about emerging opportunities in synthetic biology platforms. Synthetic biology constitutes an evolving field of research that holds the potential to heavily impact on future innovations and technologies, hence representing one of the potentially most beneficial areas for overall economy and society. Obtained by merging life sciences, bioengineering, chemistry, and bioinformatics, synthetic biology is defined as the engineering of biology. Synthetic biology introduces, literally, a rationale and systematic approach to the design and creation of living systems by transferring engineering principles to biology and living organisms. Unparalleled, energized by adjacent innovations, synthetic biology is one of the most transformational technologies of the decade. Synthetic biology comprises the deliberate design of biochemical and biological systems and living organisms from a genetic engineering perspective. Synthetic biology mimics and reshapes the cellular engine with a transformation perspective in order to accomplish a certain goal. Synthetic biology also allows for achieving an in-depth understanding of the biology of living organisms, figuring out the avenues for redesign and or rebuild biological systems totally or partially. This research industry assessment deep dives the technology roadmap, market engineering, stakeholders' influence, industry initiatives, investment environment, and funding support, as well as the regional and global regulation landscape, standardization approaches for tackling challenges, technology benchmarking for smart decisions, and an appendix comprising a list of the major industry influencers found in the field. This assessment focused on three main pillars. First, enhanced tools. Although synthetic biology appears as one of the most promising technologies more than a decade ago, its flourishing only occurs with the advent of cutting-edge adjacent technologies, enabling its development and translation to many other industries in a safer, more precise, and easy-to-apply manner. Second, disrupting technologies. Synthetic biology is being supported by a convergence of vanguard technologies. In the area of precision medicine and smart cities, synthetic biology plays a crucial role across multiple sectors and industries. Breakthrough technologies are facilitating the successful implementation of synthetic biology approaches and also helping in addressing the multiverse, multifactorial, and multidisciplinary challenges. Third, breakthrough applications. Advances in genetic technologies have enabled synthetic biology developers to launch a next generation of synthetic biology products deeply focused on precision-based solutions. In our research, synthetic biology tools comprise the use of oligonucleotides for several applications in the detective biology industry, including DNA synthesis, assembly, and design, the use of a chassis organisms to physically house engineered genetic components and functionally support that engineered gene framework through the provision of transcription or translation machinery, the use of enzymes and metabolic engineering techniques to create new products or services, the use of nucleic acid cloning kits and technologies, the use of synthetic biology acids instead of natural nucleic acids for a wide range of synthetic biology applications, and the use of biological components in nanostructured constructs or nanohybrids for synthetic biology applications. Synthetic biology technologies include artificial synthesis of genes or DNA, printing in lab or research settings, manipulation of nucleic acid sequences for applications in synthetic biology, nucleic acid cloning and sequencing technologies, next generation sequencing methods used for a diverse range of applications within the synthetic biology industry, site-directed mutagenesis to introduce targeted changes within genes, and methods for measurement and modeling applications within the synthetic biology industry. Finally, synthetic biology applications are categorized as microfluidic and nanofluidic technologies for applications in the synthetic biology industry, platforms that empower the development of smart therapeutics, such as synthetic gene circuits using synthetic biology tools, applications within the renewable energy segment, such as the development of renewable biofuels using biological systems, synthetic biology methods, and its implications pertaining to environmental health, enhanced agricultural applications, such as increased crop production, increased nutritional value of crops, and enabling disease resistance, among several other applications, and biosecurity or regulatory aspects of synthetic biology techniques to address growing concerns related to global biosafety and biosecurity. But what all this means? First, synthetic biology strives to achieve artificial life by using living organisms on parts of living organisms. Complex social and ethical concerns may arise tied to the biological material used and the purpose of creating artificial life. However, environmental issues may be addressed by utilizing symbio approaches. Second, synthetic biology holds great promise in drug discovery and development with the potential use of synthetic biological systems for drug testing and the capability to create new biochemical pathways to correct genetic defects. Biosensors in healthcare can be also enhanced with symbio technology. Third, synthetic biology may be one of the most important supports for agri-food thanks to the capability to engineer new organisms with specific designs to cover particular demands in agricultural sector. Nutraceuticals and enriched foods may constitute a giant niche for symbio products. Fourth, synthetic biology is seeing results in the development of inexpensive renewable energy sources, addressing the challenges of climate change. Additional environmental and biosecurity utilities may arise from symbio solutions by precise and timely detection of contaminants in food, water and air, and point-of-care applications. According to Frost and Sullivan's market and dynamics analysis, the global synthetic biology market was valued billion in 2018 and is expected to reach 10.99 billion in 2023. The global synthetic biology market is projected to grow at a compound annual rate of 19.7% during the forecast period. Some key outcomes to finalize what is doing really well. Energized by the advent of new breakthrough technologies such as genome editing, synthetic biology is presently exhibiting a broader spectrum of possibilities. Governments and funding institutions are seeing with interest new aspects of synthetic biology prone to provide specific solutions to our concerns. What should be a matter of concern? Precisely, some of the same technologies energizing new investigations in synthetic biology may lead to some controversies due to they are still very nascent to demonstrate innocuous long-term outcomes. Such a lack of complete guarantees about synthetic biology utilization may restrict its penetration in some industries and sectors more compromised with human health and safety. On that note, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Please join us for further podcasts and become a member by emailing us at digital@frost.com. Thank you for your time.